This video is about everything that you need to know when it comes to adding text to your TikTok video. So welcome to this channel and ensure you watch this video to the end. Let's now start by recording a short video here, and we are done. Now, after recording your video, you need to come below here and click this text button, then start writing your text. After writing your text, the next thing is to format your text, and you can start by changing the style and the background of your text using this first button right here. And to change the color of the background, you can choose from all these colors below here. Now, another thing that you can do is align your text, and you can use this next button here to align your text to the left, right, or even center. In addition, you can change the font of your text, and you can do this by just choosing from all these fonts. Then after all these, you need to come at this top right corner and click this done button to save your text. But there is still more you can do to your text. If you click on your text, you will have these three options. And if you click on the edit, this will take you back to this formatting zone. And if you click on the set duration, then you can make your text to appear and disappear at certain times on your video. And you just need to drag and position this timing bar to where you want your text to start and end. If you want a detailed explanation of this process, check out this video link. You can also find the video in the description below. Now, if you click on the text to speech, then you can have your text in sound or speech. And you can have a male or female voice, depending on whether TikTok has made it available to you or not. Now, the last thing that I want to show you is changing the size of your text, moving, rotating, and also deleting your text. And to decrease or increase the size of your text, you need to pinch it in or out respectively. As for the moving your text, you need to press it with one finger and move it anywhere on your video screen. And when it comes to rotating your text, you need to press it with two fingers and move the fingers in the opposite directions. Then to delete your text, you just need to press it with one finger and move it to this delete button. Now, if you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more of these exciting videos.